Alright, this video is going to be about how to hit enemies. I found that no one has recorded such a video about how target in a real battle. So I'm going to do it for everyone who has troubles with that. And I guess we would start with a simple ship. Black Swan, I guess, or perhaps my favorite ship, Orlan. Let's do this with Black Swan. Random battle, solo. I just found that many people actually, well, those who have just started playing this game experience troubles with simply fighting.
Battle starts.
Let's do this. Regroup. I appreciate it.
Alright, good, my standard greeting.
Target spotted.
Alright, so first of all, you need to decrease your speed to slow moving. When you see the enemy is on the second line, you try to target further than it is, right in the size of the ship itself. Well, now it's stuck. You can use this to shoot the enemy.
Torpedoes!
Uh, don't forget about other ships. So when it's this close, you can just point on the tip of the ship and shoot. Yes. Uh, when it's on the line 2, between line 2 3, you point somewhere like 1/4 forwards of the ship. When it's getting close, you can target just a little bit further than it. You see the ship turning around. If I don't move my camera, I will stuck here. So I tried to see where it's moving. It was turning right. Now it's turning left. Now I will try to shoot it according to
Situation is under control.
this data.
We're under attack.
Here I'm not aiming to win the battle or do anything, but just to teach you how to shoot. Now it's moving backwards. You can shoot it from here. Well, that was it. Now you should understand how to shoot enemy ship. I hope it was helpful.